Welcome to Grammar Practice English Course Online 27. Today's grammar points. The simple past or past simple, negative and question forms. Let's learn how to form the simple past, negative and question forms. We use the auxiliary to do in the past simple, did, to create the negative and question forms of regular verbs. How to conjugate to do in simple past. I did, you did, he did, she did. It did, we did, you did, they did. I did not, you did not, he did not, she did not. It did not, we did not, you did not, they did not. I didn't, you didn't, he didn't, she didn't. It didn't, we didn't, you didn't, they didn't. Simple past forms. Subject plus did not or didn't, bare infinitive plus object. She did not know that. She didn't know that. Be careful. Do not say I did not learn. It's wrong. I did not learn is the correct form. More examples. She did not learn any English. They didn't eat their food. He didn't know how to pronounce the word. Didn't plus subject plus bare infinitive, or did plus subject plus not plus bare infinitive plus object. Did they not arrive on time? Didn't they arrive on time? Be careful. Do not say, did they not arrive? It's wrong. Did they not arrive is the correct form. More examples. Did he learn any Spanish? Didn't they eat their food? Did he not phone you? When to use this tense. Completed actions. When it is over. He lived there when he was 10. He completed the course last week. When I focus on the duration of an action. He learned English for 2 years. He was there for most of his life. When an action has happened once, never, or several times in the past. He went to school every day. He never met his grandfather. For a series of actions in the past. I opened the book, I read, I learned something new. For facts or generalizations in the past. They used to live in tents. They were very famous at the time. Adverbs of time that go with this tense. Last, last Friday, last week, last time. In September, in 1995, in the summer. When she was a child, when I was 21, when that happened. Other signal words. Yesterday, the other day. That's it for today.